Hello everyone, welcome back. We will start with new lesson Milka Singh, the Flying Sikh, Sonia Sanwalka. This lesson taken from The Race of My Life, an autobiography by Sonia Sanwalka. It represents the formative stages of Milka Singh and his career. It brings out his hard work, self discipline, dedication, and determination to the perform. Milka Singh, who famously known as Flying Sikh, is an former Indian runner. He is the only Indian male athletic to win an individual athletic gold medal in Commonwealth Games. He was won gold medal at 1958 Asian Games in 200 meters and 400 meters. In the running race category, he represented India in 1964 Summer Olympic in Tokyo. Milka Singh's poor performance took back in his early career. He was excited, but he did not realize that there work other profession athletics who works better than him. Another point was his success in India had filled him with a sense of pride, and then he understood that he should improve his excel in the running. He was prepared to test his practice against the best athletics in the world. He followed an advice of Charles Jenkins that it was only thought of regular and rigorous, strict, intense practice that a sportsman can improve his techniques and build his stamina. At point of that time, he decided to transfer into the running machine. Between 1956 to 1957, his primary mission in life was to excel in the running machine. He considered the track as an open book and he could read the meaning of purpose of life. He worshipped as it is God and made himself as a devotee. According to Milka Singh, to achieve one's goal, one should renounce all pleasures and distraction. He proudly says that running had become his god and the religion, and he believed the running was his life. Milka Singh would rise at the track of the dawn and he would run 2 or 3 miles cross country in the company of his coach. After running, he would go for stretching and exercise to build up his muscles, and he followed the similar routine in the evening, running in the couples of miles, jogging between the race, and between he used to take a rest for some time. No matter what happens and whatever any situation, he would always go for practice for 5 hours every morning and evening, 7 days of week and whole year. Continuously and persistently he goes on practicing. To further build up stamina and strengthen his muscle, he would run long stretch on the sand, do hilly running by going up and down, mountain slope, etc. He always used to lift weights to strengthen his arms, legs, and stamina. Beside all these activities, he would play the hockey, football, and handball. Milka Singh practiced also so hard most of the time, and he drained of his all energy and used pale frequently sometimes, and he would vomit the blood also. He fell down and he became unconscious. His family doctor and the coaches warned him, and he told them to take care of his health or maintain his health and mental stability. Milka Singh practiced during the hot summer in the month of May and June also at the National Stadium in Delhi. When the temperature rise at is high as 46 degrees Celsius, and he would not mind of the radiating heat. There was a dripping sweat and he would make it dry into the bucket. He always believed in the God, and whenever he ran, he imagines the picture of spectator, audience cheering for him, applauding for him, and the Milkha Singh's hardworking determination, persistency helped him to become a famous athlete in India and all over the world. He remembered his all guides coach who had trained to win the race, including Gurudev Singh, Baldev Singh, and his military coach also. Milkha Singh, he always believed in his master, Dr. Howard and Ranbir Singh. He believed one that early to bed, early to rise is good for health, and the rest and sleep may help them increase the energy level and never including the bad habits like smoking and drinking. He firmly believed that a person works hard, sincerely, efforts including he will be rewarded, and he became a true cause of Milkha Singh, who got the name and fame and the huge fan following him, and whenever he went, every moment he got all time support from his fan and following. Milkha Singh, recently he was no more amongst us. We heartily salute from bottom of our heart and the great legend, the Milkha Singh. Thank you so much.